Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. Okay, I am Aditya Vikram from LPM Public School and this school situated in Gola Bazar. Today we have to learn exercise 5.3 that is given in your book. Okay, that is on page number 86 and exercise 5.3, and after that we have to learn some topics that are comparing numbers. Okay, firstly we have to learn what is comparing numbers. Comparing numbers when the number of digits is different. Let the number of digits is different. Suppose a question, Jumbo has 470 bananas and Mammo has 59 bananas. Who has more banana? You know that Jumbo has 470 bananas. Jumbo is the elephant and Jumbo has 470 bananas. And Mambo has 59 bananas. Okay, in 470, on ones place there is 0, and on tens place there is 7, and on hundred place there is 4. So that is a 3-digit number. And 59, in on ones place there is 9, and on hundred place there is 5, and 59 is a 2-digit number. So a 3-digit number is greater than a 2-digit number. So 470 is greater than 59 and Jumbo has more bananas than Mambo. And second topic, when the number of digits is the same. Different digits in the hundred place. Sajid means 452 shoes. Sajid and Ramdas are the so Sajid means 452 shoes and Ramdas means 701 shoes in a month. They are cobbler. And who means more shoes? You know that Sajid means 452 and Ramdas means 701 shoes in a 1 month. So in 452, 2 is on ones place, 5 is on tens place and 4 is on hundred place. And in 701, 1 is on ones place, 0 is on tens place and 7 is on hundred place. So when we compare hundred place, that is 4 and 7, we see that 4 is smaller than 7. So 452 is smaller than 701. So Ramdas means more shoes than Sajid. Second, the same digits in the hundred place. Sohan writes 642 words and Mohan writes 617 words on a page. Who writes more words on a page? You know that Sohan writes 642 and Mohan writes 617 pages. In 642 on ones place there is 2 and on tens place there is 4 and on hundred place there is 6. And in 617 on ones place there is 7, on tens place there is 1 and on hundred place there is 6. You can see here that 100 places are same in both number. So we compare tens digit, that is 4 and 1, and we know that 4 is greater than 1. So 642 is greater than 617. And note, the digits in the 100 place are the same. If you compared and the 100 places are the same, then you have to compare the digits in the tens place. Okay, and now Sohan writes more words than Mohan. Question third, the same digit in the hundreds and tens place. John sells 193 flowers and Mukesh sells 196 flowers. Who sells more flower? John sells 193. On ones place there is 3. On tens place there is 9. And on hundred place there is 1. And Mukesh sells 196 flowers. On ones place there is 6. On tens place there is 9. And on hundred place there is 1. The digits in the hundred and tens places are the same. You can see here that 100 and tens place, which are 1 in both number, on 100 place there is 1, and in both number on tens place there is 9. So the digits in the hundreds and tens places are the same. So you have to compare the digits in the ones place, that is 3 and 6, and you know that the 3 is smaller than 6, so 193 is smaller than 196. So Mukesh sells more flour than John. Now you have to common exercise 5.3. We have solved this question, but today we will revise again. Underline the number that is greater in each pair. Now write the underlined number from the smallest to the greatest. Firstly, you have to underline the number that is greater in each pair. You know that in 510 and 532, 510 is greater. Underline the number that is greater in each pair. So there are two numbers 510 and 532. So 532 is greater. Okay. So we have to underline 532. And in 912 and 946, 946 is greater. So we have to underline 946. And in third, 268 and 150, we know that 268 is greater than 150. And now 705 and 745, and we know that 745 is greater than 705. So in first pair 532, in second pair 946, and in third pair 268, and in fourth pair 745. We have to underline it, and after that write the underlined number from the smallest to the greatest. And now you have to write the underlined number, number you have underlined, you have to write a smallest to the greatest. When you will write a smallest to the greatest, you can see here that a smaller number there are four numbers 532, 946, 268 and 745. The 268 is smaller, so in the caterpillar on first there will be 268, and after that there will be 532. Okay, because 532 is smaller than 268 but smaller than 745, and after that you have to write 745, because 745 is greater than 532 but smaller than 946. And in last you have to write 946, because 946 is greater than 745. So in caterpillar there will be 268, 532, 745 and 946. And now some question are given. From the numbers in the caterpillar, write a number that has 2 in the 100 place. Which number have 2 in the 100 place? You can see here that in 268, 2 is in the 100 place. Okay. Second, 5 in the ones place. Which number in the caterpillar have 5 in the ones place? We can see here that there is 745. On ones place there is 5, so there will be 745. Okay. In third, 3 in the tens place. Which number in the caterpillar have 3 in the tens place? 532, because in 532 on tens place there is 3. And in fourth, 9 in the 100 place. On 100 place there should be 9. So in 946, 9 is in the 100 place. So in first there will be 268, in second there will be 745, in third there will be 532, and in fourth there will be 946. Now you have to color the smallest. Color the numbers that are greater than. The numbers you have to color which are greater than 113. You know that 351, 401 and 231 are greater than 113. So you have to color 351, 401 and 231. Second, 708. Which number are greater than 708? You know that 807, 738 and 999 are greater than 708. Okay, so you have to color 807, 738 and 999. In third, 496. You have to color which number are greater than 496. You know that 500, 497 and 601 are greater than 496. So you have to color 500, 497 and 601. In first, question number B, color the number that are greater than. In first, 351, 401 and 231 you have to color. In second, you have to color 807, 738 and 999. In third, you have to color 500, 497, 601. Question number C, color the number that are smaller than. Color the numbers that are smaller than. Which number are smaller than 156? You have to color. You can see here that 56, 100 and 130 are smaller than 156. So you have to color 56, 100 and 130. Second, 829. Which number are smaller than 829? You have to color them. You can see here that 790 and 790 and 826 and 99 are smaller than 829. So you have to color 790, 826 and 99. And after that 580, which number are smaller than 580? You know that 508 and 50 and 575 are smaller than 580. So you have to color 508, 550 and 575. Okay. In question C, color the number that are smaller than. In first, you have to color 56, 100 and 130. In second, you have to color 790, 826 and 99. In third, you have to color 508, 50 and 575. Question number D, circle the greatest number. Which number are greater? You have to circle them. In 925, 25 is greater. You know that because 25 is 2-digit number. In second, 48 and 26, you know that 48 is greater. In third, 343 and 97, you know that 343 is greater because 97 is 2-digit number and 343 is 3-digit number. In fourth, 646 and 900, you know that 900 is greater. And in fifth, 235 and 238, you know that 238 is greater than 235. And in sixth, 699 and 689, you know that 699 is greater than 689. In seven, 910 and 970, there will be 970 is greater than 910. In 8, 117 and 112, the 117 is greater. In 9, 836 and 910, the 910 is greater than 836. So now you have to, in first, 25 is greater than 9, second, 48 is greater than 26, third, 343 is greater than 97, fourth, 900 is greater than 646, fifth, 238 is greater than 235, sixth, 699 is greater than 689, 7, 970 is greater than 910, 8, 117 is greater than 110 and 9, 910 is greater than 836. Now there are some more questions. Question number A, cross out a smaller number. You have to cross out a smaller number. Which number are smaller? You have to cross out. In 7 and 17, you can see here that 7 is a smaller number. So you have to cross out 7. Okay, because 7 is 1-digit number and 17 is 2-digit number. In second, 343 and 3. You know that 3 is smaller because 3 is 1-digit number and 343 is 3-digit number. In third, 449. You know that 49 is greater and because 49 is a 2-digit number and 400 is a 3-digit number. In fourth, 105 and 501. When we compare on 100 places, in 105 on 100 place there is 1 and in a 501 on 100 place there is 5. So 105 is smaller than 501. Okay, so we have to cross out 105. In fifth, 300 and 400. When we compare 100 places, in 300 on 100 place there is 3 and in 400 the 100 place are 4. So 300 is smaller than 400. So we have to cross out 300. And 6, 99 and 97. We know that 99 is 99 and 97. We know that the tens places are same, and when we compare ones places, in 99 on ones place there is 9 and on in 97 on ones place there is 7. So 7 is smaller, so 97 is smaller. So we have to cross out 97. In 7, 712 and 539. We know that 539 is smaller than 712. So we have to cross out 539. In 8, 146 and 416. 146 is smaller than 416. So we have to cross out 146. In 9th, 559 and 529. We know that 529 is smaller than 559. So we have to cross out 529. Question number 8, cross out a smaller number. In first, 7 is smaller than 17. So we have to cross out 7. In second, 3 is smaller than 343. So we have to cross out 3. In third, 49 is smaller than 400. So 49, we have to cross out 49. In fourth, 105 is smaller than 501. So we have to cross out 105. In fifth, 300 is smaller than 400. So we have to cross out 300. And in sixth, 97 is smaller than 99. So we have to cross out 97. And in 7, 539 is smaller than 712. So we have to cross out 539. And in 8, 146 is smaller than 416. So we have to cross out 146. And 9, 529 is smaller than 559. So we have to cross out 529. And now question number F, circle the greatest numbers. Circle the greatest number. Which number is greatest? You have to circle them. You can see here that in first there are 270, 57 and 407. You know that the 407 is greater. So that you have to circle 407. Okay. In second, 63, 197 and 200. You know that 200 is greatest. So you have to circle 200. In third, 109, 491 and 91. And you know that the greatest number is 490. So you have to circle 491. In fourth, 317, 371 and 307. The greatest number is 371. So we have to circle 371. In fifth, 264, 715 and 593. 715 is greatest in all. So we have to circle 715. And 6, 339, 139 and 39. We know that 339 is greatest in all. So we have to circle 339. Once again, question number F. 1, 407 is greatest in all. Second, 200. So we have to circle 200. Third, 491 is greatest. So we have to circle 491. Fourth, 371 is greatest in all. So we have to circle 371. Fifth, 715. So we have to circle 715. Sixth, 339 is greatest. So we have to circle 339. Now question number G, circle the smallest number. You have to circle the smallest number that is given here. Circle the smallest number. Which number is smallest? You have to circle it. 384, 314 and 394. We know that 314 is the smallest. So we have to circle 314. In second, 682, 983 and 78. We know that 78 is smaller. So we have to circle 78. Third, 751, 750 and 756. We know that 750 is the smallest. So we have to circle 750. Fourth, 10, 100 and 450. We know that 10 is smaller. So we have to circle 10. And in fifth, 505, 404 and 444. We know that 404 is smallest. So we have to circle 404. And in 6, 280, 290 and 300. We know that 280 is smaller. So we have to circle 280. In first, 314. In second, 78. In third, 750. In fourth, 10. In fifth, 404. And in sixth, 280. Now write in decreasing order. You have to write in decreasing order. You can see here from the greatest to the smallest. That means firstly you have to write greater number. Then after a smaller number. So there will be in first, there will be 643, and after that 596, and after that 436 is small, greatest to the smallest. That means you have to write greatest number, then you have to write smaller. In second, there will be 573, and after that 537, and after that 507. In third 298, and after that 198, and after that 98. In fourth there are three numbers. On first there will be 650, on second there will be 560, and on third there will be 65. Question number 5. On first there will be 947, and after that 942, and after that 940. And 6. On first there will be 963, on second there will be 396, and on third there will be 369. Question number I. Write in increasing order, that means smallest to the greatest. You have to write smallest to the greatest. Firstly you have to write a smaller number, then you have to write greater number. In first there will be 65, 165, and 615. On first there will be 65, on second there will be 165, on third there will be 615. Second, on first there will be 897, sorry, on first there will be 891, on second there will be 896, and on third there will be 897. In third, on first there will be 438, and on second there will be 238. Sorry. On first there will be 138, on second there will be 238, and on third there will be 438. Okay. In fourth, on first there will be 495, on second there will be 549, and on third there will be 594. On fifth, question number 5. On first there will be 748, after that there will be 758, and after that there will be 768. Question 6. On first there will be 93, on second there will be 903, and on third there will be 930. Thank you. And now you have to do exercise EFGH of exercise 5.3, that is given on page number 87. You have to do in your CW copy. Thank you.